Hey guys, welcome back to the sawmill. It's a wet, nasty day here in south central Michigan. So today I thought we'd work on doing a few things in the sawmill shed here. We're going to put some lights up and a few other things, so stick around. Let's get started. Alright, well here's what we got going on for lights. Bought these at Lowe's, just 4-foot shop lights. I think they'll work just fine in here. We're out of the weather, so should be good. I got 6 of them to put up, so take a look in here. Sorry it's dark, but that's the way it is. That's what we're trying to fix. Right up there I wired in a plug, and yes, that is extension cord that runs over to the barn. Goes in a hole up there, then down to a plug and plugs in. So something simple, I guess. And I put these 2x4s up here, and that's what the lights are going to fasten to, one on each side. So yeah, let's get started. Well, I got ripped off 3 boxes. Each box supposed to contain 2 lights. Got down to my last box. Guess what? It's only got 1 light in it. I didn't even realize it. And on top of that, it didn't have any hardware in it. So I had 1 hook. These are what I'm using. You see that? Hooking that in there. And on the other end here, I took a chain from one of the other ones. Just rigged up the chain. I'm going to put it on a hook. And all the hooks were gone, so I went and found a couple hooks. So we'll hang them from there, just like that. And we'll be done, I guess, because I only got 5 lights. That sucks. Alright guys, I'm gonna go plug her in. You guys holler or something if it blows up, but here we go. There it is. We got a light. Five of them. Supposed to have six, we had five. And that light over there ain't even the same. It wasn't even in the right box. I don't know. I hate people like that. Hate people who do that. I could go on a rant about it, but I won't. So there you go. That'll lit her up really good in here now. You guys will be able to see when I'm milling. And I'll be able to see when I'm milling. Even better. So, yeah. So, let's give you a little tour of what we did today. Well, let's start right here in the corner. First of all, right up there, solar light. Of course, that lights up our stars and bars. So we can see that at night. Thought I needed one of those on the sawmill, so there you go. I like it. So, it's looking good up there. I'll back off here and get you a good view. There it is. Yeah, looking good. I like it. And then, of course, we go inside. We got our 5 new lights. Looking good. I hung my scraper up finally. I lost that for about a month. I finally found it, so decided I'd get a place and put it there. So, same on my square. I didn't lose it, but I hung it up finally. So that got put there. Come back out here to the outside. Look at that. New thermometer. That gives us something else to talk about. Can you see the temp? Right there. 60, what is it? About 60. Or, what? 15 degrees Celsius? Does figure out in Celsius. I got Celsius so you guys up there, up north will know what the temperature is. Right? So, there you go. One for you guys. And then, what else? Back here. Oh, yeah, look at this. Shelf for my oil can. Live edge. Pretty fancy. Another one right beside it. Put a nice water right there. Something to drink. Stay hydrated. But yeah. There you go, guys. Look at that. Boy, she's lit up like a Christmas tree in here, I guess. Looking good. So, I'm happy. Alright, guys. Well, I guess that's going to do it for this video. We got lights and a few other things done today. So, sawmill shed's coming along. Got a terrible pile of sawdust in the back there, if you guys seen that. Thinking about some kind of sawdust extraction for this place. Blow it out the back wall there or something. And I don't know, I ain't quite figured that out yet, but hey, next year we'll work on that. Well, I'm going to shovel this out probably this weekend, get it cleaned up, and yeah, I guess that's about it. As usual, I appreciate you guys coming along. We'll see you next week. How about that? You guys take care.